So let us discuss about the marginal rate of substitution. MRS refers to the rate at which the consumer substitutes one goods to obtain the more unit of the other good. In this, the slope of the indifferent curve MRS goes downwards. Likewise, this. Indifferent curves, indifferent curves map refers to the family or indifferent curves that present the consumer's preference all over the bundle of the two goods. Here we are comparing about the two goods X and Y. So first we will get that if we are consuming more and more utilities, then then the marginal utility is also given going downwards. Now we will discuss about the consumer equilibrium using different curve analysis. So consumer equilibrium by indifference curve approaches in the two different commodities. Here the combination of that thing are shown with the help of the slope. So MRS falls because of the law of diminishing marginal utility. In the given example, you can compare here two commodity as a banana and a apple. Combination of a P has only P has only one apple, and therefore apple is relatively more important than banana. Due to this, the consumption is willing to uh, give up more bananas from the additional apple. So, but the consumers more consumes apple. This marginal utility from the apples keep on decline. Assumptions to commodity is assumed that the consumer has a fixed amount of money, whole of which they spend on the two goods. Next, not staticity in a consume assumed that the consumer has not reached the point of satisfaction. Ordinary utility, consumer can rank his preference on the basis of satisfaction. Diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Here, indifference curve easily assumed a diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Due to this assumption, indifferent curves is convey the original. Rational consumer. So, in the consumer is assumed to behave the rational manner. His aim is to maximize the total satisfaction. Now we will discuss about the budget line. Budget line is a graphic presentation of all possible combination of two goods which can be purchased with given income and prices such that the cost of each of these combination is equals to the budget line. So budget line is a graphic presentation. Here it is given in the and, flow that it is given when the given money income of the consumer and the prices of the two goods, every combination lying on the budget line, those costs are same amount of money and can be therefore purchased with the given income. So it is given here, and a formula is given for that. Slope of budget line. We know the slope of budget line is calculated as a change in the variable on the vertical or y-axis divided by the change in the variable on the horizontal or x-axis. It is the example of apples and banana. Slopes of the budget line will be number of units banana that is consumed, meaning sacrificing the additional of each one apple. So change in the budget line, the budget line and the budget line shift due to the change in the income, increasing or decreasing in the income, or budget rotates. It rotates under when due to the changes in the price of a commodity. So at that time also it happens. So difference has been shown at that time. So it is showing the two different things, and consumer behavior is governed by the monotonic preference. Monotonic preference refers to a situation where the consumer will prefer more of the commodities than the combination providing lesser in the commodity. Means here you can say that the consumers, in simple word, you can say that the monotonic preference implies that a consumer increases total utility also increases. For instance, a consumer's preferences are monotonic only when between any two bundles. He prefers to the bundle which has a more of all the least one of the goods and less the other goods and compared to the other bundle. So here we can discuss in this chapter many things. Any doubt then please clear it to me.